All right. Woo! All right, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Signed a waiver?
Yep.
Good. Hey, you guys, we're here today with Will Cortez. Who is a skateboarder for the park aspect, right?
Yeah, park of the Mexican National Team.
That's freaking awesome. That is so cool. So if you guys don't know, in the Olympics there are two categories. There's street, which is just like you see here, a street park, rails, stairs, all that stuff. And then there's park, which is all bowls, right?
Yep.
There you go. And those are the two categories in Olympic skateboarding. And we have him here at the Braille House today to conquer
The one vert item you have.
the one. Is this even vert?
One.
Does this count as vert?
I mean, that's like 4 feet.
I guess so.
I guess.
So we just recently had this quarter pipe built by Troy and his wife Brenna, and now
Nice. We're gonna put it to
you're
the
gonna
test.
break it in. You're gonna put it to the test, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you don't go through.
All right.
Troy,
Yep. We're ready.
This is on you. This is on you.
Is that me?
It's on
Dude,
you.
it's strong.
So-
It's strong.
You're going into this. No warm up, no pads, no nothing, just full send.
Full send.
How do you do this?
I got ready like 15 minutes ago and I said I was gonna do it and I'm gonna do it.
And there's no like, you're just gonna go and like roll in and just tweak it and just go in, or?
I'm just gonna power all in. So I'm gonna get in and just pop.
Ah, yeah. No thanks. All right, you can take it from here. All right, I'm good.
Check out the drop.
So if I'm correct, it's about 9.5 feet
This?
total
Oh, to
up
the
high.
top?
Yeah, to the top.
I'm gonna jump down. Alright. I think I got this.
I definitely think you do.
It's just pretty much committing. Going down. I got the run out, so.
Well, you have the pants for a reason.
Yeah.
Can we see that logo real quick? Hold up. Yes. That's so sick. Amazing.
Ready?
Yep. Give me.
I bitched out.
You took a fall similar to that on the wall ride about 15 minutes ago.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Now I just gotta send it.
You just gotta feel
All the way.
it. Feel it out.
Whew, that's scary. It's so like close,
Yeah.
like I don't have to do as much. So it's like almost scarier than if it was like farther, because farther I could like go to it.
Mhm.
Here it's just like, you don't do anything.
Hoping you don't land on flat. All right.
What? Did I jumped off like right there. Like when I was here, I jumped off like right there. I think I feel this is the one right there. Right here.
That was it.
Jumped off again. And I had the juju with me. Dude, the juju. I was going.
You're stressing me out. Yeah, it's the Braille Drop. You get more hurt if you bail than if you just land on it. It's going through it today. Right here, you got it. Full send. Oh! Oh my gosh! Yes!
So much easier just to land things instead of
Hell yeah.
not committing.
I saw you doing a few plants on the wall. Is that anything you'd like to try?
Yeah, I'll give it a go.
Finally, someone in this place who skates vert.
I just got a new board under me, and when I jumped on it, my hand kind of like turned a little bit, and it like threw the skateboard out, and I landed on the bolts and like, directly on the tail, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna like saw flip it, like finger flip it on accident, and I just like threw it in and just landed, so I was like, didn't die.
Sick. Well, the Braille house is your playground. Whatever else you want to do.
I want to do that, but like jump to it, so I'm gonna set it back a little bit.
Oh yeah. You hurt your ankle?
Yeah, I got it. Let's see.
Troy, you got this.
It's so sick.
It's definitely an NBD in the Braille house.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You are up there. Woo! Oh my gosh. What do you have to like do to actually land
I'm
it?
tearing the wall up. Is that okay?
It's okay as long as you land it. It's worth it.
I don't know. I've never done it, so I've seen people do it. Liam Pace. He does that TF at the bank. It looks sick. It's weird. It keeps going behind me. I don't know. Tips?
Yeah.
That was better. Don't need a lot. Just chill, land it.
Yes, sir! Oh my gosh. Oh, it's right there, dude. It's literally, it's knocking at the door. You just gotta answer.
Answer that door.
Oh, that was it.
I'm chill.
I think we cut it there. Well, you are now allowed to go to Berkeley Vert tomorrow.
So
Hell yeah, my friend. Oh, sick. I think that's a video.
Yeah.
How you feel?
I'm so tired. I'm ready for some more.
Exactly. That's the way to do it. That was a pleasure to watch, my friend. That was terrifying. You literally went and rode on the wall and then grabbed and came back in. Not to mention, you also went down the Braille Drop into this. And now I'm just repeating everything that you know you already did.
Yep, next tomorrow we should jump up it.
Yeah. Oh, yes, yes. I think that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. We're gonna get the bungee, pull it back far enough, and then bungee him up this. Because we have done that before, but we used a 2-foot quarter, and we had to build a whole giant ramp, like crazy thing that was already like, maybe like 7 feet up. So we kind of cheated it. So if you do this, props.
That'd be sweet, like back 3 or kickflip up.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming soon to a theater near you.
Soon to a Braille Skateboarding channel near you at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You guys need to go follow Will on Instagram. Will Cortez 9, right?
Yep, that's it.
The link will be in the description below. Definitely go check him out. He will potentially be in the actual Olympics. So we're gonna root for him. Leave him a nice comment below. Leave him some support. And let's see you go out there and crush it, my friend.
Thanks.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, if you start skating now and keep practicing every single day as hard as you possibly can potentially go to the Olympics.